Look at this. It's not the driving that kills, it's the parking. Sounds crazy? Think again. More forklift accidents happen when the machine is parked than while it's moving. I'm a certified forklift operator and instructor. I've seen damaged racking, crushed pallets, even serious injuries, all because someone parked wrong. In this video, I'll show you the 10 most common forklift parking mistakes, the real accidents they cause, and how to park like a pro every time. Why parking matters. Parking a forklift isn't just a break. It's like leaving a loaded weapon in the workplace. If it's not locked up right, someone gets hurt. Raised forks equals chest-high spears. Unchocked wheels equals rolling disaster. Key left in ignition? That's an accident waiting to happen. Every year, injuries, lawsuits, and damaged goods, all from a parked machine, and every one of those could have been avoided. Here are top 10 dangerous parking mistakes. Let's break them down fast and clear. Forks raised in the air. Someone walks by, bam, face meets metal. Forks must go flat on the floor. Forks pointing forward. Tucked forks equals safe. Pointed forks equals trip hazard. Pallet damage. These impalement risk. Blocking aisles or doorways. Just a second could block a fire exit or stop a delivery. Parking on a slope without chocks. Don't trust the brake. One roll and you've got a runaway forklift, not setting the parking brake. Even on level ground, vibrations can move it. Leaving the engine running, that humming forklift invites misuse. Turn it off. Key left in ignition. Curious coworker, shortcut seeker, untrained helper. Now it's a missile. Blocking fire extinguishers or first aid kits. Accidents don't wait. Access to safety tools must stay clear. Parking too close to racks. Can't load safely, no walking space, no breathing room. Improper fork tilt, tilted forward. Even a bump can slide that load off the forks. How to park like a pro. Let's build safe habits that stick. Lower the forks completely, flat on the floor, no excuses. Tilt the mast slightly back, just enough to keep forks stable. Never forward. Only park in designated zones. Don't block aisles, exits, or equipment. Set the parking brake always. It's your first defense. Turn off the engine. Kill the noise. Prevent movement. Remove the key. No one touches it unless trained. Use wheel chocks on slopes. Brakes fail. Chocks save lives. Final check before walking away. Forks down, brake on, area clear, done. Here is the parking checklist. Think of your forklift like a loaded toolbox. Leave it half open and someone gets hurt. Close it properly, everything stays safe. Here's the 8-step checklist. Park on level ground, forks down, flat mast tilted back. Brake engaged, engine off, key out, chocks in place if on slope. Final safety glance. Grab your free printable checklist, link in the description. You're not just a forklift operator, you're a safety leader on wheels. Like this video? Know someone who needs it? Share it. Want to build a safer crew? Download the checklist below. Let's park it safe. Every time.